Alright, this wire right here was not hooked up. That was my fault. That's the reason why this thing would not function the first time. The fact that I found out that the wiring to this table is not, it's grounded, but it's the neutral and the ground are not bonded. So now I've got to work on that this weekend. A good bit of this building is wired correctly, but just this portion in here is not. But that's not going to keep me from using this. Once again, I'm going to use my dim bulb tester. And I'm going to set it for 160 watts. And we'll use the isolation transformer. I know I've got neutral. I know I've got hot. I don't need the isolation transformer, but it's hooked to my Variac, so oscilloscope purpose use when I'm working on AC. Anyway, let's get on with this. Sorry for the delay. Alright, the dim bulb tester's on in case there's still a short in this baby. We're going to plug it up and see if it'll work. Okay, all systems are go. We're going to turn this thing on and see if there's still a short in it. Here we go. Great. None of the bulbs. Okay, let's see if we... Ooh, we got power, y'all. 1 N-channel MOSFET. It worked. Got this half amp, 27 watt, 12 volt load testing bulb. Used on the car. Anyway, let me turn this thing on. Okay, pull it on up to about 12. Wow. Great. Okay. Alright, that's good enough. We'll set the current. Let's touch these probes right here and see what kind of current we have. Okay, I'm going to bring that current down some. Let's see. Need more than that. Okay. That might be... That's good. Alright. Let's check this out. Okay. Okay, you can see my bulb. Yes, indeed. Okay. Now let's see how accurate this this DC power supply is. I've got it set to DC. Okay, the flute pretty well matches this. Okay, I wanted to use an amp clamp. The DC says, wow, 500 milliamps, and this is just under 400. Whoop, dadgummit. And the bulb's glowing. This isn't a half amp bulb, 27 watts. It's a 12 volt bulb. The dim bulb tester, I've got it, it's only showing 1/4 of an amp. 17.4 watts. Okay. This is an analog meter. It's only 5 amps, but whenever there's an influx of a surge, I can watch it swing and get an idea of the amps. And of course, if there was a short, one of the bulbs would glow, would surge. Okay, not very accurate on current, but pretty accurate on voltage.